Creating your first Excel workbook. Let's start quickly. First, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. When Excel opens, you should see a blank worksheet on the screen. If you want to create a new empty workbook anytime, just press Ctrl N. This shortcut instantly opens a new blank workbook. That is the same way as going to File, click on New and click on the blank workbook. Now we'll create a simple sales projection sheet in Excel. Let's create a basic Excel sheet to track monthly sales projections. First step is to add headings. First we will label our data. In cell A1, we will type month. In cell B1, we will type projected sales. Now the step 2, we will add month names. In cell A2, we will be typing Jan. Then drag the small square down to A13. Then Excel will automatically fill in all the months from Jan to December. Now step 3. We'll enter sales data. In cell B2, we'll take 50,000 as January sales and we'll say that sales increases by 3.5% every month. In cell B3, we will type equal to B2 into 103.5%. Then we'll click enter. We'll drag the fill handle from B3 down to B13. Here only January is typed manually, all other months updates automatically. Next, step 4, we will format the numbers. To make the sheet look professional, we will select the range from B12 to B13. Go to Home, click on Number Format and click on Currency. Or else we can use the shortcut key Ctrl-Shift-$. And then we'll also decrease the decimal twice. Now step 5 is to make it look professional. We will click anywhere in this table. We'll go into Insert, Table and we'll click on OK. Or else the shortcut key is Ctrl-T for creating a new table. And we can change the table style anytime from the table design and table styles. Now we want to find out the total sales. To calculate yearly sales, we'll click inside the table, go to Table Design, click on Table Style Options and we'll click on Total Row. That will enable the total for our monthly sales. Excel automatically adds the total for all the months. Next step, we will create a sales chart. To visualize this data, we'll click inside the table. We'll click in Insert and we'll click on Recommended Charts. And we'll select a column chart. We'll adjust the chart style if needed. Now we can see monthly sales visually. The last step is to save our workbook. We'll click on the save icon and we'll choose a folder and we'll enter the file name as monthly sales projections and then click save. You have just created a sales sheet by using formulas, applied formatting, built a chart and also saved our workbook.